Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Stotra Deepa. Today I will let you know the most powerful Venkatesh Vajrakavacha Stotra, which is a sacred Sanskrit hymn dedicated to Lord Venkatesha. It is believed to provide divine protection like a Vajrakavacha. So Venkatesha Vajrakavacha is a prayer for protection, strength and blessings. It describes how Lord Venkatesha protects different parts of devotee's body and life just like an unbreakable shield. So, it invokes divine protection from fear, diseases, enemies and negative energies. It gives mental peace, courage and spiritual strength. It helps devotees feel safe and guided under Lord Venkatesha's grace. So, let's begin the Venkatesh Vajrakavacha Stotra. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Narayanam Param Brahma Sarvakarana Karanam Prabhadhe Venkateshakyam Tadeva Kavacham Mama Sahasrashirsha Purusho Venkatesho Mahabalaha Shiro Me Venkateshascha Phalam Patu Janardanaha नेत्रे मे माधवः पातु कर्णो गोविन्द एव च नासिकां मधुसूदनः पातु मुखं पातु त्रिविक्रमः जिह्वां मे वासुदेवश्च कण्ठं पातु श्रीधरः स्कन्दो मे हृषिकेशश्च भुजो पातु पद्मनाभः हृदयं मे दामोदरः पातु नाभिं पातु अच्युतः कटिं पातु हरिः नित्यम् ऊरू पातु जनार्दनः जानुनी पातु चक्रपाणिः जङ्गे पातु हरिः प्रभुः पादो मे वेङ्कटेशश्च सर्वाङ्गं पातु केशवः इति श्री वेङ्कटेश वज्रकवच स्तोत्रम्।